Hello my darlings, I'm April Sunshine and welcome back to Sons of the Forest. Today I am going to teach you how to edit your game files so that you have the shovel a lot sooner than you would normally have it. Now the reason I actually had to learn how to do this is because my game glitched out, and not only did my Virginia disappear, as you can see, she's up there somewhere, but my shovel disappeared as well. And I'm not quite sure how that happened, and I didn't realize that it had happened until I just wound up here and could not dig up the ground and get the darn shotgun. So I'm going to teach you how to edit your file if something like this happens to you. The first thing I want you to do is save, and I want you to create a new save right at the top. That's going to make this process easier. And be careful with this because you can mess it up and accidentally lock up your game, but I'm going to show you how to do this without locking up your game. So the first thing I wanted you to do is make that save file, then exit out, and then we're going to go into the game files and give ourselves the shovel. Before you do anything, I want you to make a new folder, and we're going to put backup files in there just to be safe. So we're going to put backup before I gave myself the shovel. That's easy to remember. So, all right, so we're going to open that and set that aside. And now we're going to open up the game files. To that, you hit the Windows key, hold that down, and then hit R. On the bottom left of your keyboard is where you can find your Windows key. It's just those 4 little white squares. Hold that down, then hit R. Now you want to type in app data to this box right here. No capital, just app data. Then hit OK, and it will open up your app data. Now the one we're interested in is called local low. Double click that. Then you want N Night. Those are the names of the developer who made this game. And then Sons of the Forest, saves, single player, and then the one at the top is the new save that you just created. Double check your time here, and it should match or be really close. So open up that. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to change player inventory save data. And I want you to copy this and then paste it in your backup and then close it up so that it is nice and safe. Okay, so we're going to open this with WordPad, and here is what we're going to do. We are going to find an item that we don't really care about and get rid of it. Now the way this works is each item in the game has its own unique ID number. And the ID number, there's only one for each item, so they're all unique. So this right here, for instance, this is item number 351, and it says the total count is 1. That means I only have one of those in my possession. Now I'm going to go ahead and look for an ID number of an item that I don't care about. Let's say blueberries. So blueberries is 445. So Control F, 445, find next. If it doesn't find it, just hit find next again until it does. And it might have multiple instances of the item that you're looking for. If it does, just make sure that the one that you're on is the one that says item ID, and then after that, the total count. So item ID 445, the total count for me is 20. So I now know that I have 20 blueberries. I want to change that into 1 shovel. So instead of 20, I'm going to exit that and put 1. And then the number for the shovel is shovel. I have a whole list of of items, and you can actually look these up on Google if you like, if there's something else that you're trying to get. But I would tell you, do not get weapons, and do not give yourself anything that you would normally give Virginia. Anything that you can give to Virginia, do not use it for that. But you can use it on the shovel, the rebreather, the flashlight. This game actually bugged out and did not give me the flashlight where it was supposed to give me. Alright, so the shovel is number 485, so we are going to do that. So instead of 445, we're going to do 485, and then save the game. Now, at any given one time, I recommend changing just a few things. I wouldn't change too many things all at once. And I'm going to actually see if I have any buckshot ammo as well while I'm at it, because that is going to be important. So you can feel free to screenshot this. Buckshot ammo is 364. I'm looking for the ammo in my, I'm looking for the shotgun in the game now. Okay, so I don't have any buckshot ammo. Let's see if I have any. How about blueberry seeds? Maybe I'll have some blueberry seeds that I can get rid of. $5.99. $5.99. Fine. Yep, there it is. $5.99. I have 19 of those. So we're gonna get rid of that, and we're gonna give it 777. And instead of $5.99, we're gonna change it to the buckshot ammo, which is $3.64. Okay. So now I've given myself a bunch of ammo for my shotgun and the shovel, so I can dig up the shotgun. Now exit out everything and load up your game. And I want you to go into your inventory and make sure that everything is okie dokie. Don't get rid of your backup. I would never get rid of the backup at all, honestly. But check and make sure everything is okay before you continue playing that game. So up at the top is the one that we're working on. And we're going to see if I have successfully given myself the shovel. I think the flippers might be another thing that you can give yourself, but I don't know why you would. I would give myself the shovel, the flashlight, the rebreather. I would change the number of air canisters, grenades. The buckshot ammo is the best. 9mm crossbow bolts. Don't give yourself the crossbow. Do not give yourself any weapons or anything that you can give Virginia. I cannot say that enough. Because weapons actually look really different in the game because weapons have something inside of them. They have ammo inside of them. So they're not a simple code of just here's the item and here's how many you have. Here's the item, here's whether or not it's in your hand, here's what type of ammo it has, here's how many bullets it has inside of it. And so that gets kind of complicated. And it can be done, I just don't recommend it because there's easier ways to do it, as you have just seen. So I didn't give myself the shotgun, but at the same time, I'm kind of giving myself the shotgun, right? So hit I. Alright, so keep in mind, one thing to keep in mind is that sometimes if you give yourself too many items, this can make a really loud, annoying sound when you open it up. See, like, I have no blueberries. But suddenly, I have the shovel! Hooray! What else did we change? The buckshot ammo? Yep, here we go. Buckshot ammo, 777. So it worked. And as you can see, the shovel is good as new. You can use it no problemo. And now I have given myself the shotgun. Hallelujah! So any kind of issues that you run into, don't worry, you can change your save data. And let's go ahead and save. There we go, and now we've got everything we need. Now let's say something went wrong and it froze up for some reason. What you're gonna do is X out of the game again, and I'm gonna show you very simply how to just use your backup to fix the game. Again, we're gonna hit Windows R, type in app data. Okay, local low, end night, Sons of the Forest, saves, single player, and the top one is the one we want, and player inventory. So let's say that something went wrong and this is not what I wanted. Just delete the entire thing, delete the player inventory, and then go to the backup that you created. Let's see, backup before I gave myself the shovel, sounds correct. And you're just gonna copy that and paste it into here. And voila, you're done. Your game is now saved and you don't have to worry about any more lockups. I hope that this was informative for you guys and very helpful for you. I'm going to make some more videos like this. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask them in the comments so I know what videos you guys would like to see from me. Other than that, like and subscribe, all that sweet stuff you guys do for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.